Live from the world's capital market, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by BonyAcademy.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The dollar was little changed against a basket of major trading currencies and gained against a yen that's under intervention watch after the Japanese finance minister warned last week of excessive moves in the currency market. US manufacturing slumped further in June, reaching levels last seen when the economy was reeling from the initial wave of the COVID-19 pandemic, according to a survey that also showed price pressures at the factory gate deflating. Wall Street's main indexes ended with slim gains in a holiday-shortened session, helped by a surge in Tesla and strength in bank shares as the second half of the year kicked off on a subdued note. The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 1.5% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The gold dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar pair fell 0.3% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.9% during the session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. Japan's 10Y bond auction will be released at 03:35 GMT, the US Red Book Index at 12:55 GMT, the US API weekly crude oil stock at 20:30 GMT. Australia's RBA interest rate decision will be released at 04:30 GMT. Australia's RBA rate statement at 04:30 GMT. Germany's exports at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a profitable trading day. Make sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.